Hi, this is Ellanoor Memorybooks again, and yeah, I have a junk journal with me session for you, and this is in my personal junk journal, and I use this journal actually for memories and photos, and yeah, that's this junk journal, and I have like too much ephemera I have in a drawer and in boxes that I have to put in this journal. So I took some random things out of my drawer to add in the journal. So the first thing you see is a flyer from a thrift store, with vintage clothes. I just went there and bought really cool vintage second-hand clothes. And of course, I saw this flyer and I was so in love with the design, and yeah, I took it with me, and also it has this map of other vintage stores in the city. So, and what I'm planning, what the plan was with this flyer is to extend a page so I have more room to add, for example, photos on the flyer. So as you can see, it will be this page will be extended because of the flyer I glued there. So now I have more and more room to add my pictures. So, and this is the other flyer from the same store. And now I just looking around for where I will glue that. And this is just a random wrapping paper, and I didn't want to throw it away, of course, so I just glue it randomly on a page. And an idea is to write like what the gift was and from who you got the gift, and that's an idea to remember those things. And this is a little hanky my daughter made for her father for Father's Day, and she made a cute little drawing. So yeah, very cute, and of course I want to keep this, but now I'm figuring out what to do and how to include this in my journal. And then I decided not to, because I'm planning on making a journal for my daughter from a shoebox. But so I'm planning on use that hanky as an insert, as a page in the journal. So anyways, let's go on. Here I have this birthday card from my daughter. She received it from her classmate, and I just include this in my journal. But at this particular moment, I'm like, it would be better that I will remove it and place it in her own journal. But okay, for now, I glued it in here with the washi tape. So, and I have this cute little dried flower, and I'm just figuring out where I can settle this down. And here I have a cute little washi tape. It's a very, I have this in my stash like forever. Cute kitty cats. So, and now I have this other beautiful dried flower. And I'm going to stick this with transparent tape, white tape, so it will be, you can see through, of course. I just love how it looks. And last but not least, I have a little sticker left, and I'm looking for the right spot where to stick it on. So that was it actually. It was a very, very short session, junk journal with me, and I hope you got some inspiration to do your own. And if you have any question, of course, comment below. And yeah, like and subscribe. Bye bye.